Your nervous system functions like a complex web of electrical wires, and quite often those wires get fried by the sheer volume of modern chaos. Most of us just wait for the tension to pass, or we try to breathe through it. But there is a much more direct way to intervene in that physical reaction. This Neck One device is a high authority wellness tool that is changing how we handle burnout. It sits right against your skin and sends subtle pulses directly into your vagus nerve. This specific nerve is the master controller of your relaxation response. It serves as the primary bridge between your brain and your vital organs. When you are stressed, your body stays locked in a state of high alert, which ruins your focus and your sleep. This wearable is designed to flip the internal switch and pull you back into a state of deep calm. It uses non-invasive electrical stimulation that feels like a rhythmic tap or a gentle hum against your neck. You are not just guessing with this technology either. It pairs up with an app driven by artificial intelligence to analyze your current state. You tell the system how stressed you feel, and it automatically adjusts the frequency of the pulses to match your specific biological needs. This level of customization is what sets it apart from basic massages or simple meditation apps. Many people report feeling a noticeable drop in their heart rate within just a few minutes of starting a session. It acts as a manual override for your anxiety. However, you have to be ready for some practical hurdles. You cannot just put the device on and go. It requires a special conductive gel to make sure the electrical signals actually reach the nerve through your skin. This gel is a bit of a hassle. It is absolutely necessary for the device to function, but it is also messy and sticky. You'll find yourself wiping your neck down after every single use. Plus, the gel represents a recurring expense. You have to keep buying more of it to keep the device working, which adds a hidden cost to an already expensive piece of hardware. This is not a budget-friendly gadget by any means. It is a serious investment in your mental wellness toolkit. You also need to keep your expectations grounded. This is not a government-cleared medical device for treating major clinical disorders. If you are struggling with severe depression, this is not a replacement for professional medical care. But for the average person dealing with the heavy weight of professional burnout and daily pressure, it is a very powerful tool. It offers a drug-free way to manage the physical symptoms of stress without pills. You can use it while you are sitting at your desk or even right before bed to improve your sleep quality. The build quality of the hardware is impressive and feels sturdy enough for daily life. We are seeing a massive shift toward this kind of biohacking, where people take their health into their own hands using real data. It is a logical alternative to pharmaceutical interventions for mild stress. If you value your long-term wellness and you want a tech-driven way to find your center, this wearable represents a high-utility investment. It is a bold step forward in how we interact with our own biology to find peace in an incredibly loud world.